Hey guys, it's Matt Trades here, and you want to learn how to trade Forex. And these are the 5 things you need to know how to trade Forex. Number 1, as cliche as it sounds and as basic as it sounds, you want to learn how to trade. That can be from either watching YouTube videos. There's a site called babypips.com, which you can look and it has a whole bunch of free information. All the information on there is scattered. So what you can do is you can find somebody's course out there. I do not have a course personally, but there's courses out there where you can learn how to trade, and it just compiles that information down to where it's not scattered. So you're learning from somebody's experiences so that you don't have to go out and go through those struggles that they did when they first learned how to trade. Number 2, find a broker. The broker I use is KOT Forex. There's also other brokers out there that you can use, like a Wanda is one that comes to mind, but the one that I use is KOT Forex. They are trusted, everybody uses them, and yeah, they're great customer service. I have no complaints about them. Well, I have no complaints about them. I don't know about other people, but I have never had any complaints with them myself. Number 3, what you're gonna do is you want to create a TradingView account. TradingView is a site where you're gonna do your markups, your analysis on what trades you're gonna want to enter. That can be they have everything from everything that's traded. You're gonna want to do your analysis on there, whether that's stocks, crypto, Forex, all of it is on there. Do have different types of packages. That they have a free package, but you're gonna probably want to get the basic one so that you can set like different alerts. Obviously you don't know what that is right now, but yeah, get TradingView and just get trading. Number 4, the 4th thing you want to do is you're gonna want to open up a demo account first on whichever broker you decide to use. The reason why you want to use a demo account first is because why would you want to blow money at the beginning when you're first learning? I made that mistake. There are demo accounts that you can use on your broker that is real life market movements, but it's just with paper trail money, aka fake money. But use a demo account first so that you can test your strategy out and make sure you have it down pat and that you can practice. And remember, it is just like the live markets. So don't think you're not in the live market situation. You're just not trading with real money. And the 5th thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up eventually a live account. And when you open up a live account, just do the same thing that you were doing on demo. As soon as you're consistent on demo, open up a live account and trade that live account, right? I would say maybe put like $100 to max $500 in there when you start. But $100 is just fine, but $100 minimum is what I would put in there just to begin, so that you can just start to practice seeing the fluctuations and also the emotions that come with trading your own capital. But a live account is what you're going to want to eventually get to. So number 1, we have learn to trade. That can be from YouTube, all of that, Baby Pips, or somebody's course. And number 2, find a broker. Number 3, get you a TradingView account so that you can mark up your charts. Number 4, open up a demo account so that you can practice your trades without using real money. And number 5, open up a live account. And those are going to be the 5 things you're going to want to do when you first start out trading. I believe you can do it. Let's get it. Trading is going to be one of the easiest but hardest things you'll ever have to do. And once you start trading, you'll get what I'm saying. But do those 5 things. Those are the 5 things you're going to want to start out doing when you first learn how to start trading.